Hi, I'm Allie Vitella.
And I'm Charles West, and you're watching Living in New Jersey 411.
Today we're in Madison, New Jersey, and what I love about this property, Charles, is the location. Madison is an absolute adorable town, like one of my favorites. It kind of reminds me of a Hallmark town, but this location is perfect because, one, you're really close to the bus stop, like a block away, and only a half a mile from the Madison train station. But wait, there's more. There's also a private bus service where you get on this bus, there's Wi-Fi, there's places to plug in your laptop, and not only that, but the bus driver knows your name.
Oh, and one thing I love about the place is just the convenience of parking. You have access to Morristown and the great things, the great stores, restaurants, and just the people in the area are so wonderful to be around. Can't beat this neighborhood.
And we're going to show you at the end of this video, so you got to stay tuned, all the places to go, well, some of our top picks, but I think you're really going to enjoy it.
So now let's take a look inside. Now it's time for us to show you this wonderful duplex right here in Madison. Come on, take a look.
Into the basement, you can see you have really high ceilings. You also have this nice up-to-date lighting. And in Madison, if you have a basement, you have to have an egress. So this would be your egress here. So you have this large space, and this would be your third bedroom because it has a closet, but it can also be an additional family room. You can see the closet here. You have double closets. Okay? Now, I'm going to take you into a really special area of the basement. You have a little kitchenette with a lot of cabinets, and this is actually your laundry room. But you probably could put like a coffee pot or something down here as well. Now, let's go take a look at the bathroom. So if it's the day that you need to have your utility service, you just open the door right here and you have all your new utilities, heating and water heaters behind door number 2 actually. Just a really nice way, since this was a builder in town, he actually lived in this house himself, so you know, he's gonna make it as nice as possible, and that's why I find this like a really good unit to live in. Let's check the upstairs out.
Now it's time to take a look at the second floor. Here, you'll get a chance to see these lovely 2 good-sized bedrooms that you can enjoy with you and whoever you have, for guests, family members, whatever. And it is exquisite quality in each of these rooms. You have quality hardwood floors, huge closet space, and plenty of room for your bed, your desk, and any other thing that you would like to take for the comforts of your own bedroom. The next bedroom will go past the bathroom, which has its own vanity and stand-up shower tub. Now here is the biggest room in the entire house. Love it. If you need space, this is where you'll find it. Have your still very old closet and plenty of room for your big king-size bed, table, desk, armoire, whatever you need in this room will fit in.
So Charles, what was your top pick?
I really love the basement. It is fully finished, has its own bathroom, and it provides privacy for those individuals. If it's a family, if it's two friends that are attending Fairleigh Dickinson, they can have their own space. Kitchen is a nice size, great appliances. Really love the property in an excellent location.
I think this is my favorite. Right here, you got a fire pit and a fenced-in yard. You got a nice, beautiful green grass behind you and a lot of privacy. You don't really get that with a rental these days.
I don't think so either. I also think this is a great place for grad students who are attending Fairleigh Dickinson, want to have a sense of luxury feel to their stay, especially if through the rigors of school and classes and studying. This is a great place to kind of relax, de-stress around a fire with a bunch of friends.
Yeah, it's definitely a good place for sure. I would have to say that the location is also a top pick of mine. I couldn't believe how close the downtown was, and I actually got to know Madison a little bit better just by us putting this listing up. I really thought the downtown was so cute, which you're going to learn more about at the end of this video.
Absolutely, and for some of you that may not know, especially your Giant fans, this is actually where I first started my Giants football career. We actually had training camp right up the street at Fairleigh Dickinson University. So this town has been near and dear to my heart because this is where it all started for me.
That is so cool. And I really love the history around Madison as well. But listen, if you really like this video and if you have any questions about this property or any of the properties that we list, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, and we take phone calls all the time. We answer calls, we go on calls, so we just want to hear from you.
And if you have a property that may not be up to snuff or you don't think it's just quite the quality of this house, we can help you with that as well. We have a bunch of contractors, we have a bunch of architects, we have a bunch of interior designers who can help redesign your home. If you want to still live in it, you want to renovate it, we can do that. Or if you want to renovate it to put it on the market as well, we can help you with that as well.
That's Charles' specialty. He really loves to see the process from beginning to end. And we'll be showing you some of our new houses that are just a pile of dirt right now that are being built. So we're going to show you the process with that as well.
So please don't forget to subscribe. We want to see you more, and we will be here sharing our profession with you a little more as well.